So an SCV 42, about to leave here at Dorval. It's the 16th of January 2024 in some light snow here at Dorval. And this train is due in Montreal and also heading towards Quebec City from Ottawa. I have to say one thing, Bachmann did a model of these trains. It's somewhat disappointing and somewhat perplexing that they didn't do the end cap car. So if you have a model of this, you're just going to have the engine and coaches, which is odd. Also, it's very expensive. So, needless to say, I won't be getting an N-scale model of this anytime soon, I'm sure, since anything they come up with is going to be very expensive. And these are pretty quiet, actually, compared to the F units of old, or even the newer P42s. There it goes in the snow. With a Caterpillar engine, I believe. There it goes in the snow, kicking up. Very powdery snow today here at the Dorval station. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.